How to find your stickers on TikTok. Where are my TikTok stickers? What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to find your stickers on TikTok and where they are hiding. A lot of people add stickers to their videos and then have no idea where to locate them again. So let me break it all down for you right now. Let's get into it. So first things first, go ahead and open up the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This is going to open up the camera and recording screen where you create your videos. Now once you are on the recording screen, go ahead and record a quick video or upload one from your camera roll. It does not have to be anything special, you just need to get to the editing screen. Once your video is ready, tap the next button to move into the editing stage. Now here is where your stickers are. Once you are on the editing screen, look at the right side panel or the bottom toolbar. You are going to see a stickers icon. It usually looks like a small smiley face or a square with a folded corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap the stickers button, a full menu is going to pop up from the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your stickers live. At the top you will see a search bar where you can type in any keyword to find a specific sticker you are looking for. Right below that you will see different tabs and categories to browse through. Now if you are looking for stickers you have used before or saved, tap on the Favorites tab. This is where TikTok stores any sticker you have previously liked or bookmarked. So if you found a sticker you loved in the past and tap the heart icon on it, it will be saved right here waiting for you. You can also browse through trending stickers, recently used stickers, and different themed categories all from the same menu. Just swipe through the tabs at the top of the sticker panel to explore everything that is available. And once you find the sticker you want, simply tap on it and it will be placed directly onto your video. You can then move it around, resize it, and position it exactly where you want it on the screen. And that is all there is to it. Finding your stickers on TikTok is super simple once you know exactly where to look. Just hit that plus button, get to the editing screen, tap the stickers icon, and everything will be right there for you. If this video was helpful, make sure you hit that like button, share it with a friend who uses TikTok, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a quick and easy guide like this one. I will see you in the next video.